So today we got all three. We had the R2D2 smoker I got from the marketplace, 30 bucks. We got menudo cooking. We got chicken breast, or pollo fileteado, chicken breast fillet, butterfly, corn, pork steaks, zucchini, ratones or jalapeno poppers, sausage. Again, the menudo. Let's give that a little stir. There we got beef finger ribs or beef back ribs. A couple corns over here. See if there's a difference. First time using this one, so we'll see how it comes out.